Alrighty guys, so we got another exciting edition of $440 SA200. So, I showed you guys the box for the battery is done. Something it's probably been sitting or taken down salt roads or whatever. So it's gone. So I got some 12 gauge sitting here. I already got it marked out. I did that yesterday. We got this in the garage yesterday. Popped the radiator off yesterday. Drained that and all the fuel because the fuel bowl is leaking. Because I prefer something not to catch on fire. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Alright, boys and girls. So my phone might be a little slow because it's slightly cold outside. As you can tell. So yeah, we got this done. I was gonna work on the truck, but it's getting a little too late. It's gonna be dark here in about 20 minutes. So yeah, so it only took us like 4 hours or so. But here, I'm gonna show it to you real quick. So this is what it looks like now. You know, actually being steel and not being all screwed up. And put the radiator back on. We're gonna be putting it back together here in a little bit. Probably not today. I don't have time for that. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. Of course, my phone's dying too, so that's awesome. But that's what she is. So in the time lapse, you guys will see. I misplaced one of these. I put it on top of the water. And I was going to cut another one out of the 13, but I did not. They're both 12 gauge because I found it. Everything here is 12 gauge. So it's just slightly less than 1/8 of an inch. I watched, I don't remember what his name is, but he's a real big pipeline guy or does custom projects and stuff like that. But he used 1/8 inch on that. I got 12 gauge, so it's about the same. It's not gonna hurt anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. So if you do enjoy the videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And maybe we'll do another series on this and keep her going. So talk to you guys later.